Now that you have your Google Business View published, we can embed it on your website. So if you go to your Google Plus page, you'll be able to see there's a new section here called See Inside. So if you click on there, we can go take a look inside, and you're brought to Google Maps. So basically this is the tour. You can choose which view you want to start the tour at. You could even go inside and go somewhere else, like here for example. And then there's a little tiny gear right here. This is where you want to get the information. It's very tiny down here in the corner, but if you click on it, it will say share or embed this image. And what you want is the code to embed the image in your website. It's similar to a YouTube code to embed something, so we'll just click on that. And it's not the share link, but it's the embed code. So you can choose which size you would like. If you would like a small little square, maybe on your Contact Us page that people can take a look at, starting at this image, and whichever viewpoint you want, for example there, a medium size, large, or even a custom size. So you may want something more thinner, to go more like a banner. Like this. But we'll go back to just a medium size one. Okay, so this is the code right here that you need. So you would have to take your cursor and highlight it all the way to the very end, to the last little part of the code where it says iframe, and then you're going to copy that code. Now that that code's copied, it's best just to keep it safe in case, because you're going to have to go to your website now and maybe log in or something like that. So it's best to open up something like TextEdit, not Word, but a small text program that just handles text. So there's TextEdit or Note Tab, I believe is another one, or Notepad. And then you can just paste the code in there and keep it safe while you're going to your website. Okay, so we're going to go to my website, and I'm going to embed this code on a new article. So I'm using WordPress. You may use WordPress, or if you just have an HTML website, it's just the same. You just have to have access to the code in some way. So I'm going to add a new post, and you would enter the title. Maybe the title is going to be most likely Rêve Jardin. This is for WordPress, but you're not going to have to do this part here if your website is only HTML. You do not want to use a visual editor in WordPress, but you want to use the text, which is just the code area. So we're going to go back to here, take our iframe code, copy that, and paste it. So now that we have this code in here, in WordPress we just have to publish it and we're done. But in your website, if it's HTML, you just have to maybe upload the HTML page again through FTP or something like that, or just ask your web developer. And now we can go to the website and take a look at what we've inserted. So there it is, and people can take the tour on your Contact Us page. If you have any questions, you can always contact me. Have a good day.